Surface Pro for Business Copilot plus PC. AI that doesn't suck.
You ever open 47 tabs, Teams, Power BI, and Outlook, then watch your laptop start panting like it just ran a marathon? Last month, I nearly yeeted my old Surface out the window at 2 a.m. because it throttled during a client deck. Sound familiar? Drop your worst device betrayed me moment in the comments. I read every single one.
That hot brick on your lap feeling while the fan screams and battery plummets from 60% to 19% in an hour? Pure chaos. You're not slow. The tech is holding you hostage. Imagine finishing the day with battery left, zero heat, and your flow completely unbroken. No extra steps, no chaos, just calm control. Ready for that reality?
Meet the 2025 Surface Pro for Business with Intel Core Ultra Series 2, the first Intel 2-in-1 that actually earned the Copilot Plus crown without selling its soul on compatibility. Lunar Lake architecture plus on-package RAM plus 48 TOPS NPU equals stupid fast Excel refreshes, Docker builds, and 4K transcode in 6 minutes flat while staying ice cold and silent. The Kickstand goes flat to 165 degrees so you can sign contracts on a plain tray table like a civilized human. Thunderbolt 4 docks just work, no more driver roulette. Removable 1 TB SSD means IT keeps the data when the device goes in for repair. Windows 11 Pro plus Secured-core plus Pluton plus zero-touch Autopilot equals your CISO stops having nightmares. One of our senior consultants was literally boarding a red-eye, deck half-finished, old Surface Pro 9 cooking his lap at 95 degrees Celsius. Switched to this Platinum 32GB beast mid-flight, finished the pitch, ran Monte Carlos, still had 42% battery touching down in London. That's not marketing, that's salvation.
A Fortune 500 IT director told me last week we deployed 1,200 units, 0 thermal tickets, Intune enrollment in 4 minutes. Executives now fight over who gets the platinum ones. A Big Four mobility architect ran side-by-side tests. This Surface beat the Snapdragon version by 20 to 35% on every Power Query and Docker workload their consultants actually use. A road warrior I know gets 14+ hours on transatlantic flights doing Photoshop, plus Teams, plus streaming, and never hunts for an outlet anymore. Even the skeptics shut up fast. One CFO admitted, "I rolled my eyes at the price until it replaced both my MacBook Pro and my old Surface without me noticing the switch." Learning curve? Basically 0 if you've ever used a Surface before. The haptic touchpad on the new signature keyboard is actually better than Apple's. Go ahead, fight me in the comments. Thousands of creators, attorneys, and finance pros are quietly switching and never posting their old devices for sale because they can't go back. Type "still using my 2023 Surface" in the comments. If you're stuck in 2022, I'll send you tissues.
If you're tired of choosing between battery life and actual performance, between ARM gamble and Intel heat, this Surface Pro for Business with Intel Core Ultra Series 2 is the first device that refuses to make you choose. Join the creators, directors, and road warriors already working calmer, faster, and longer on one charge. Real results, real devices, shipping today. Just click it if you're ready for the best business 2-in-1 Microsoft has ever built. See you in the comments.